Hi, this is Melissa from SlideHub with a quick product update. So as you can see, the main interface has received a bit of a facelift. The icons have been improved, as well as the placement of the categories. So you no longer have them here on the right-hand side, and everything is on this bar to the left. You can show all categories and collapse the list so it's easier to browse through, as well as switching between each of the menus will collapse the previous one. We have also improved our search sorting logic. So for example, when we search for webinar, it will first show us assets matching the labels. The label is the small sticker on the left-hand side that will give you the main results, followed by matches that can find this keyword on tags, and lastly, matches found based on slide content. Within each category, assets are sorted based on how frequently they have been downloaded, so this will be your most popular slides versus your least popular slides. These labels can be customized under the Manage Slides button. It will take you to your administrator view for managing all of your content. You will first select the slide that you want to edit. And over here under visual slide sticker, you can add whichever label you best see fit. This one I want to be also under the webinar label, and update. This update is automatic, so the next time you go in to search for your company slides, you can see that is now shown under this label. You can now also update company slide content directly from PowerPoint. So in this case, this is a company slide that I have loaded into my company's assets, and I want to switch the location of this icon. The asset will run a check and suggest that this slide can be updated. So I will select it and update to feature this new design that I have created. It is now also possible to quickly restore to previous versions of the slides in the Manage Content view. So by going to Edit, you can see which changes have been made to the slide, and you can decide if you want to replace the current slide, which is shown up here, if you want to add this previous version as a standalone slide into your presentation, or if you want to delete this version of the slide. However, please use this option carefully, as once deleted, versions cannot be restored. Under the Contribute tab, you can also view your submissions. You can convert them to a presentation so they're easier to edit and modify as you see fit. And you can also delete contributions in case you have made a mistake or you would like to make some changes before submitting a final draft. Under the Manage Content tab, it is now easier for you to customize and modify the subcategories under each category. Under the Show Subcategories view, you now have this draggable menu where you can modify placement of each subcategory. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or feedback.